Hello. People always asking if our IR repeater can work in with multiple input or not. The answer is yes, but you need to add another 1 to 4 cable, one to 4 stereo cable to hook up your IR receiver. Okay, so this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, and this is our A-1311. Okay, and let's see the demo. Okay, first of all, I will my audio video input is this is the DVD player, and the other input is our cable box. Okay, and I only use in our IR repeater with 2 IR receiver okay, this one and this one. And for the emitter, I just only using the 1 to 2 emitter IR emitter cable. Okay, so let's do the demo. And this is for the DVD players remote control, and this is for the cable box. Okay, so let's see a demo. So right now I want to turn on my music. Okay, here. Let me see if my okay. So here go. So this is volume up, and I'm using mute. Again, volume up, mute, volume up. And so this is for my DVD player. And here I want to control my cable box. This is a remote control, and the receiver is here. So there's no way that I can control this receiver. I mean cable box, right? So I'm using the IR repeater here. So okay, let's see. I just do the easy way. Okay. Okay, first I mute my music. Okay, then I control my cable box. Watch out. Okay. Is that clear enough? Okay. Turn off. And turn on. See? So again. Turn off. And turn on. And turn off. So anyway, the conclusion is our standard IR repeater can working with the 2 IR receiver cable. Okay, so if next time you want to using the 3 or 4 IR receiver with this standard IR repeater kit, then you just buy the whole kit with option 1 to 4 stereo cable. Okay, stereo audio cable, and this should be the female one, right? Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. Bye.